Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today is a special recipe and it's a Pongal, that is Sankranti special, and we are going to do Ven Pongal. It's a typical South Indian dish. Let's get started. First we're going to soak the raw rice, 1 cup. Moong dal should be the same, another cup. Soak it for about 30 minutes in water. We're going to pressure cook the raw rice and the dal that's been soaking for about half an hour. Season it with some salt. I'm going to add quarter cup of ghee. If you don't like so much of ghee, you can cut it down. Cashew nuts, a teaspoon of peppercorns. Cashews have started browning. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds. Reduce the flame. 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger. Turn off the stove. Add a pinch of asafoetida powder. Few curry leaves. Now I am just going to pour this tempered mixture into the cooked pongal. There you have the delicious Ven Pongal. It is a typical South Indian breakfast and it's best had with some lovely sambar and coconut chutney. So do try and enjoy. Wish you all a very happy Sankranti.